Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Pocket Eikaiwa, your pocket English conversation every day.
And I'm Michael. Hi, Olivia.
Hey, Michael. You look a little out of breath. Did you run here?
I did. I was shadowing an English podcast on my way over, and I got so into it that I walked past the cafe twice.
That is actually perfect timing, because today we are going to shadow together.
If you have ever wanted to speak English but felt alone, this lesson is for you.
Think of this as day one of practicing with us. You do not need a partner, a teacher, or perfect grammar.
You only need to listen, repeat, and keep going.
This is a 20-minute shadowing lesson for A2 and B1 learners. We will use slow, natural English.
We call it the three-step shadowing method.
Step 1. Listen. Hear the complete phrase before you speak.
Step 2. Echo. Repeat immediately and try to copy the rhythm, the tone, and the feeling.
Step 3. Personalize. Change one word to make the sentence about your own life.
We will practice 6 groups of phrases today: greetings, ordering, your day, opinions, asking for help, and making plans.
Do not worry about understanding every single word. Focus on the sound, the rhythm, and the feeling of speaking.
A few quick rules before we start. First, speak out loud, not just in your head.
Second, it is okay to make mistakes. The goal is to move your mouth, not to be perfect.
Third, if a phrase is difficult, slow down with us, then try it again at normal speed.
Ready? Let's begin with greetings.
Round 1. Greetings and small talk.
Listen first. Hey, how's it going?
It's going well, thanks. How about you?
Echo. Repeat Michael's line. It's going well, thanks. How about you?
Your turn.
Good. Now personalize it. If you are tired, you can say, it's been a long day, but I'm okay.
Slowly. It's been a long day, but I'm okay.
Normal speed. It's been a long day, but I'm okay.
Your turn.
Next greeting. Listen. Long time no see. How have you been?
I've been good. Really busy, but good.
Echo. I've been good. Really busy, but good.
Your turn.
Now one more. Listen. Nice to meet you. I've heard a lot about you.
Nice to meet you too. All good things, I hope.
Echo. Nice to meet you too. All good things, I hope.
Your turn.
Now answer this question aloud. How's it going today?
Use one of the phrases we practiced. Speak now.
Good. Now imagine you see an old friend. Say, long time no see.
Your turn.
And now introduce yourself to someone new. Say, nice to meet you.
Your turn.
Nice. That is how you begin a conversation without freezing.
Round 2. Ordering food and drinks.
Listen. Could I get a coffee, please?
Sure. Anything else?
Echo. Could I get a coffee, please?
Your turn.
Personalize it. Change the drink. Could I get a tea, please?
Slowly. Could I get a tea, please?
Normal speed. Could I get a tea, please?
Your turn.
Next phrase. Listen. I'll have the same, please.
Good choice.
Echo. I'll have the same, please.
Your turn.
Now listen to a short exchange. For here or to go?
For here, please.
Echo Michael's answer. For here, please.
Your turn.
One more useful phrase. Listen. Could we get the check, please?
Of course. I'll be right back.
Echo. Could we get the check, please?
Your turn.
Now order something you actually like. Start with, could I get a...
Speak now.
Good. Now say if it's for here or to go. Start with for.
Your turn.
And now ask for the check. Say, could we get the check, please?
Your turn.
Great. You can survive a cafe in English now.
Round 3. Talking about your day.
Listen. How was your day?
It was pretty good. I got a lot done.
Echo. It was pretty good. I got a lot done.
Your turn.
Personalize. If your day was difficult, say, it was a bit stressful, but I'm fine.
Slowly. It was a bit stressful, but I'm fine.
Normal speed. It was a bit stressful, but I'm fine.
Your turn.
Next, listen. What did you do today?
I worked in the morning and relaxed in the afternoon.
Echo. I worked in the morning and relaxed in the afternoon.
Your turn.
Now listen. I'm looking forward to the weekend.
Me too. I need a break.
Echo. Me too. I need a break.
Your turn.
One more. Listen. I didn't sleep well last night.
Oh, that's tough. Do you want some coffee?
Echo. Oh, that's tough. Do you want some coffee?
Your turn.
Now answer aloud. How was your day today?
Use one sentence. Speak now.
Good. Now say one thing you did today. Start with I.
Your turn.
And now say something you're looking forward to. Start with I'm looking forward to.
Your turn.
Perfect. These phrases work at work, at school, and with friends.
Round 4. Giving simple opinions.
Listen. I really like this place.
Me too. The atmosphere is great.
Echo. Me too. The atmosphere is great.
Your turn.
Listen to another. I think the weather is perfect today.
I know. It feels like spring.
Echo. I know. It feels like spring.
Your turn.
Now a phrase for disagreeing politely. Listen. I see what you mean, but I disagree.
Slowly. I see what you mean, but I disagree.
Normal speed. I see what you mean, but I disagree.
Your turn.
One more. Listen. I'm not a big fan of crowded places.
Yeah, I prefer quiet cafes.
Echo. Yeah, I prefer quiet cafes.
Your turn.
Now give your own opinion. Do you prefer busy cities or quiet towns? Start with I prefer.
Speak now.
Good. Now agree with someone. Say, me too.
Your turn.
Now disagree politely. Say, I see what you mean, but I disagree.
Your turn.
Nice. Short opinions keep the conversation moving.
Round 5. Asking for help and clarification.
Listen. Sorry, could you say that again?
Sure, I said the meeting is at 3.
Well done. Asking for help is not a weakness. It is part of speaking.
Round 6. Making plans and invitations.
Listen. Are you free this weekend?
Yeah, I think so. What's up?
Echo. Yeah, I think so. What's up?
Your turn.
Listen to an invitation. Would you like to grab a coffee?
Sure, I'd love to. What time?
Echo. Sure, I'd love to. What time?
Your turn.
Now, a phrase for changing a plan. Listen. Can we rain check? Something came up.
No problem. Let's try next week.
Echo Michael's answer. No problem. Let's try next week.
Your turn.
One more. Listen. Let's meet at the usual place.
Sounds good. See you there.
Echo. Sounds good. See you there.
Your turn.
Now, invite someone to do something. Start with, would you like to?
Speak now.
Good. Now accept an invitation. Say, sure, I'd love to.
Your turn.
And now, change a plan politely. Say, can we rain check?
Your turn.
Perfect. Now you can make plans in English too.
Round 7. Feelings and reactions.
These short phrases help you respond naturally when someone shares news.
Listen. I got the job.
That's amazing. Congratulations.
Echo. That's amazing. Congratulations. Your turn. Next. Listen. I didn't pass the test.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Echo. I'm sorry to hear that. Your turn. Listen. I'm a little nervous about tomorrow.
Don't worry. You've got this.
Echo. Don't worry. You've got this. Your turn. One more. Listen. I finally finished the project.
Nice. I knew you could do it.
Echo. Nice. I knew you could do it. Your turn. Now react to this news. I'm traveling to Japan next month.
Use one of these phrases. That's amazing. Lucky you. Or, I'm so happy for you.
Speak now.
Good. Now react to this. I lost my phone this morning.
Use, I'm sorry to hear that, or, that's terrible. Your turn.
Great. These reactions make your English sound more natural and more human. Let's put everything together in 3 short conversations.
The first conversation is at a cafe. Hey, how's it going?
It's going well, thanks. How about you?
I've been good. Really busy, but good.
Could I get a coffee, please?
Sure. Anything else?
That's it for now, thanks.
For here or to go?
For here, please.
Sounds good. I'll bring it over.
What did Olivia order?
She ordered a coffee.
Repeat this line. Could I get a coffee, please?
Your turn.
And this one. For here, please.
Your turn. The second conversation is after work. How was your day?
It was a bit stressful, but I'm fine.
I know the feeling. I didn't sleep well last night.
Oh, that's tough. Do you want some coffee?
Actually, I prefer tea. I think the weather is perfect for it.
I see what you mean. Let's go to that quiet cafe.
Good idea. Could we get the check here first?
Sure, I'll ask.
Why did Michael have a stressful day?
The conversation does not say, but he feels fine now.
Repeat this line. It was a bit stressful, but I'm fine. Your turn. And this one. I prefer tea. Your turn. The third conversation is about weekend plans.
Are you free this weekend?
Yeah, I think so. What's up?
Would you like to grab a coffee?
Sure, I'd love to. What time?
How about Saturday morning?
Sounds good. Let's meet at the usual place.
Actually, can we rain check? Something came up.
No problem. Let's try next week.
What do they decide in the end?
They decide to try next week instead.
Repeat. Would you like to grab a coffee?
Your turn.
Repeat. Can we rain check? Something came up.
Your turn. The fourth conversation is about good news and bad news.
Hey, I have some news.
What happened?
I got the job I wanted.
That's amazing. Congratulations.
Thank you. I am a little nervous, though.
Don't worry. You've got this.
I hope so. I didn't sleep well last night.
I'm sorry to hear that. Try to relax today.
Good idea. Let's grab some tea.
Sounds good. I know a quiet place.
How does Michael feel?
He feels excited, but also a little nervous.
Repeat. That's amazing. Congratulations.
Your turn.
Repeat. Don't worry. You've got this.
Your turn.
Excellent. Now let's do a full shadowing story. I will tell a short story. After each sentence, repeat it out loud.
Today, I went to a quiet cafe.
Your turn.
I ordered a cup of tea.
Your turn.
The waiter asked, for here or to go?
Your turn.
I said, for here, please.
Your turn.
I sat by the window and read a book.
Your turn.
Then a friend walked in.
Your turn.
She said, long time no see.
Your turn.
I answered, it's going well, thanks. How about you?
Your turn.
We talked about our day.
Your turn.
I told her, it was pretty good. I got a lot done.
Your turn.
She said, I'm looking forward to the weekend.
Your turn.
I said, me too. I need a break.
Your turn.
Before leaving, I asked, could we get the check, please?
Your turn.
I walked home feeling relaxed.
Your turn.
On the way, I called my sister.
Your turn.
I said, I got a lot done today.
Your turn.
She said, that's amazing. I'm happy for you.
Your turn.
We made plans to meet on Saturday.
Your turn.
But something came up, so we had to rain check.
Your turn.
I said, no problem. Let's try next week.
Your turn.
Then I went home and slept really well.
Your turn.
Beautiful. That is shadowing. You did not just listen, you spoke.
Let's do one more round of fast shadowing. I will say a short phrase and you repeat immediately without pausing.
It's going well.
Your turn.
Long time no see.
Your turn.
Could I get a tea, please?
Your turn.
For here, please.
Your turn.
How was your day?
Your turn.
It was pretty good.
Your turn.
I'm looking forward to the weekend.
Your turn.
I really like this place.
Your turn.
I prefer quiet cafes.
Your turn.
Could you say that again?
Your turn.
I'm not sure I understand.
Your turn.
Would you like to grab a coffee?
Your turn.
Sure, I'd love to.
Your turn.
Can we rain check?
Your turn.
That's amazing.
Your turn.
Don't worry, you've got this.
Your turn.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Your turn.
Excellent. Your mouth is now warmed up and you have spoken many natural English phrases today.
Let's do a quick choice challenge to finish.
Choose the best phrase. Someone asks, how's it going?
It's going well, thanks. Yes, I go. I go to work.
It's going well, thanks.
Your turn.
Choose the order. Could I... A coffee, please. Get, got, getting.
Get. Could I get a coffee, please?
Your turn.
Choose the polite request. Could you, slowly, speak, say, talk?
Speak. Could you speak a little more slowly, please? Your turn.
Choose the opinion phrase. I, quiet cafes, prefer, am preferring, preferring.
Prefer. I prefer quiet cafes.
Your turn.
Choose the invitation. Would you... To grab a coffee. Like, want, like to.
Like, would you like to grab a coffee?
Your turn.
Final one. If you do not understand, you say, sorry, could you, that again? Say, tell, speak.
Say, sorry, could you say that again?
Your turn.
Your final challenge is to shadow with us again tomorrow.
This is day 1. In day 2, we will practice more conversations at work and in shops.
Today, use one phrase you learned in real life. Order something in English, greet someone, or ask for clarification.
Then write one sentence in the comments. Today I used the phrase.
If this lesson helped you, like the video and subscribe to Pocket Eikaiwa.
Speak English with us every day, one phrase at a time.
Until next time, keep listening, keep repeating, and keep speaking.
We'll see you in day 2.
Bye for now, everyone.
Bye.